another episode of The Love Hub, where we give tips and advices to women about love and relationships. This episode is about how to make him want you more. A quick shout out to Crystal Dating Coach and Jabber Lardazibal. Thank you for always watching our channel. For topic requests and shoutout requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tip number 1. Be more natural. Believe it or not, one of the best ways on how to make him want you more is to be more natural. Use less hair products, don't wear crazy makeup, and don't feel like you have to wear makeup all the time. Guys like to see you get dressed up, but they also prefer your natural side more than wearing a full face of makeup. Unless you're going out on the town, go more natural. Your guy will see the real you. That is tip number 1. Be more natural. Tip number 2. Don't appear too high maintenance. Men who think they have to dress a certain way or provide a certain dollar amount of money to keep up with a woman's beauty or material maintenance can lose interest very quickly. They can also lose their interest in you because they feel like your demands or needs are too much to deal with. So don't be too high maintenance and expect this to be attractive. While it's fine to want nice things or look nice, find a happy medium so you will keep it safe. That is tip number 2. Don't appear too high maintenance. Tip number 3. Make him work for your attention a little. One of the best ways to make your guy want you more is to let him do most of the work. Let him grab your hand, steal a kiss, or open the door for you. Let him know you expect these things by not being the first one to make all the moves. Also, when you get home from a date, don't text him right away, but let him text or call you instead. Don't go chasing him if he doesn't even have the courtesy to call you after a date. Then he is not worth your time. Remember, if he is into you, he will make an effort. That is tip number 3. Make him work for your attention a little. Tip number 4. Be nice to his friends. If he can't stand your man's friend, he will definitely not be into you. No guy wants to see a girl be rude to his friend. Just like we would stick up for our girlfriends, they will stick up for their male friends too. They might put up with you being rude to their friends for a while, but not for long. Guys like girls who respect their friends, families, and co-workers. It implies that you are respectful of them by showing courtesy to people in their lives. That is tip number 4. Be nice to his friends. Tip number 5. Don't act too jealous. No matter how hard it is, you can't be too jealous of anyone in a relationship. To make him want you more, show that you are confident in the relationship and yourself. If he gives you a reason to doubt him, then you may want to question if being in the relationship is the best for you. If you're not sure, don't confront him until you have enough evidence to prove him guilty. If other girls flirt with your guy in front of you, instead of acting jealous, smile at her, extend your hand, and introduce yourself as his girlfriend. That is tip number 5. Don't act too jealous. Tip number 6. Make him laugh. Sense of humor is everything. Guys love a girl who can make them laugh just like girls do. When you can make a guy laugh, he'll be interested in your personality and make him want to spend more time around you. Part of making a guy want you is having him want to spend more time with you. So make a funny joke. Don't be afraid to poke fun at yourself, and definitely don't be afraid to poke fun at him. That is tip number 6. Make him laugh. Tip number 7. Make plans without him. Don't be so available for him. Guys don't want a girl that is always around because there's no desire left in that. If you make plans with your friends and he wants to see you, he might feel a little let down, but he will ask again. He wants to spend time with you already, so leave him hanging every once in a while. This will make him want you even more. That is tip number 7. Make plans without him. Tip number 8. Be in control. Don't give in to everything that he says. Whether it's in the bedroom or just in general, take control once in a while. Tell him you want to go to his place or that place and then that you want to go there. Don't wait around for him. Make plans and decisions. In bed, try to take control once in a while. Sometimes guys like not to be the one who makes the decisions. That's tip number 8. Be in control. Thank you so much for watching. For topic requests and shout out requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.